This is interesting behavior. No power being used. Eight Shack. Impact. It's not just a tachometer.